Hi again. So in this video, we'll be completing how to set up your profile on Gigafro so you'll be ready for your listing and you appear professionally on your profile. So in the last video, this was where we stop after signing up. So we can go and go to edit your information to add your country. Just type Nigeria. You can type Nigeria. You can select your state, but and other information, and you just upload your profile. Then you can also add your profile picture here. I have one already here. It's, the recommended size has been stated as 80 by 80 pixel. So I've already done that. If I refresh here, it should pop up and that it's there. So that's my profile. So next, let it load a bit. So yeah, next I want to go to my account setup. Okay, so tell us what professional title describe you. So because of time, I've added some information on my notepad. So I want to go with full stack developer. In your case, it may be front end or back end or graphics designer, whatever your professional title may be. Then a short intro. I have something on my notepad, so you can just write something nice about yourself to showcase yourself. So I will full stack developer, creating front end and back end, blah blah blah. So yeah, now I will have to tell us about your professional experience. So I'll just follow this format. See, then I work at Gigafro. Then that's because Nigeria. Then yes, professional development. Then start date, just put September 1, and if you are still currently working there, you can leave the place empty, then you save that. You can also add more with regard to your preference. Then when you are done, select next. Then also your educational background. Sorry. So that's BTech. So that's computer science. Start date. Select your start date. Let me just select this and end date. Also, if you have some professional certification, you can also include it here so that to increase your portfolio. So yeah, what kind of service will you provide to clients? Web development, front-end development, back-end development. So yeah, you can select all what you offer. So I think full stack development, then press this. So you can select other skill that you want to add, PHP, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, WPS, and all that stuff. So next, so yeah, I've uploaded my profile already. So you can also do so here. It's 120 by 120 pixel, and just press submit. That will be listing. let's skip that and see. Let's go back to our dashboard. And let's check our profile. So that has been set. So let's have profile details. Yeah, so our profile details have been set. This you can cross check on how clients will see you. So yeah, this is how the potential business is going to see your profile. So yeah, we can exist. You can get out of there again. That's all on how to set up your profile. Now you can add to your portfolio here your previous job that you work on. If you have any job that you work on, you can add to your portfolio. Then that will make you look more professional, and your potential business that you want to down to work with you can see all what you've worked on before. So in the next video I'm going to be taking us through how you can professionally set up your gig and start selling your services on Gigafro. Thank you. You can subscribe to this channel to get more helpful video on how to use Gigafro and kickstart your freelancing journey. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. As a free tips, you can select if you are available to work and change it, but then you should always be available to work as a freelancer. So you toggle the button on should be always on. So thank you, and that will be all for this video. See you next time.